Welcome, my name is Patrick Becraft, and today we're going to be covering the time value of money, valuing cash flow streams. Let's get to it. So, what is a stream of cash flow? A stream of cash flow is a series of cash flows lasting several periods. When valuing cash flows to cash flow streams, there are a few rules we need to follow to keep things in order. The first rule is only values at the same point in time can be compared or combined. Rule 2, to calculate a cash flow's future value, we must compound using the following equation. FVN equals C times 1 plus RN. And Rule 3, to calculate the present value of a future cash flow, we must discount it using the following equation. PV equals C divided by 1 plus RN plus C over 1 plus Rn. Now, let's take a look at an example from the book. It's going to be an example where we are going to be investing $1,000 today and an additional $1,000 each year for 2 years with 10% interest. Let's see what it looks like. So, the short story is going to be, we're going to end with $3,641. But how do we get there? So we started our starting point, going to be today. We're investing $1,000. Now, we're going to have that 10% interest rate coming in after the year's end. It's going to end us with $1,100. Now we're going to add in first year, next year's investment of another additional $1,000, bringing our total investment on that first year is going to be $2,100. Now we're going to have to add in the 10% going into our third or second year of investment. We're going to come to $2,310, and we're going to add in our additional $1,000, and we're going to get a nice $3,310. Then we add in our 10% investment for our total final little snippet of time here, and it's going to end us with that $3,641 after all said and done. So, Luke 14:28-30. For which of you deserving to build a tower does not first sit down and count the cost, whether he has enough to complete it? Otherwise, when he has laid the foundation and is not able to finish, all who see it begin to mock him, saying, "This man has begun to build, but was not able to finish." This is an interesting equation here to me about the investing and how preparing for your future and then the further follow through of the cash flow investment and the streams of investment really come into play, and being able to prepare for your future, really dig a deep ditch into having to prepare. A few last notes before we end here. Going to be a few touch-up terms about perpetuity, console, and annuity. A perpetuity is going to be a stream of equal cash flows that occurs at a regular interval and lasts forever. A console is a bond that promises its owner a fixed cash flow every year forever. And an annuity is a stream of cash flows arriving at a regular interval and ending after a specified time period. And that brings us to our end. Thank you for joining me, and have a great day.